Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Tonight's video is a RAOK video. And if you're not sure what that means, you're not alone. I had to look it up last year or 2 years ago, whenever it was, and it means random act of kindness. And this particular box is from my new buddy Mark, who lives in Nashville. That's Tennessee, United States of America. And I actually bumped into him at the Simeon Museum recently, and I'd mentioned him before, and he was kind enough to send me this box of goodies. Let's crack it open and take a look here. I will put Mark's Instagram information down below. I'm not going to give out his last name because I'm not sure if he wants me to or not, but he has a lot of awesome photography, really design-oriented pieces on his Instagram page that I think everyone who's an auto aficionado will appreciate. And so be sure to give him a look-see or subscribe, I guess you want to say, for Instagram. Not sure what the wording is for Instagram, I forget, but anyway, you know what I mean. Okay, let's get started here. Pretty excited about this. Should be a fun one. Got some bags. Ooh, we have a Volkswagen Carnegie, or I forget what were these called. I forget. I should know that. I know I have the purple one here somewhere. This one he already has it stripped out, it looks like. And it says customize me. So we already got it in the natural state here. Actually looks really cool without any paint on it. I forget what these were called, 1600s, what were they called? Squareback, I guess, 69 squareback. I remember a friend of my mother's, they had one or two of these always parked in their driveway. It doesn't weigh anything. It's amazing how little they weigh. So that's a good starting piece there, canvas, blank canvas, I should say. So thank you, Mark, for that. Let's, he's got all kinds of stuff in here. This is cool here. Was this a majorette? So it's a GTO, I believe. Yeah, Ferrari Gto, like a 1984 twin turbo, a predecessor to the F40. This is really cool. This one's tempting to detail up. Kind of cool to see that. Hopefully he's not giving me something from his childhood. I'd feel bad about that. That's really cool. It's neat how the back opens up on it. Very cool. What's this one here? So it's like an old Impy or something. Or is this a Matchbox? Made so. I thought this was a really old Matchbox. Old, looks like a microbus. It says camper on the bottom. Volkswagen camper from my Sto, I should say, because I know Alexander 1485 will correct me every time when I say Mayet. So that's how my father always pronounced it. So I say Mayet so as well, and I get in that camp. But I'm pretty sure it is my Sto, I guess, because quite a few of you guys have yelled at me in the past about that. Very cool. Got some patina to that one. Got some more packing material. Ooh, what do we got here? Wow, this is awesome because I do not have the white Z. That's so freaking cool to get that. That's white with the red interior. That is awesome. Really cool to see that. I have just finally found the red ones recently, and my other buddy Mark, that I used to work with in the publishing world, he got me a red one as well. Not to be confused with the Mark that sent this box of goodies here. So we'll put that one aside. This is something I've been looking for a while as well. This treasure hunter, this Chevelle, that is so cool to see that in person. I've never seen that in person. I've seen a lot of photos on Instagram of it. And if you're not familiar, that's a regular treasure hunt. That's so cool. That is awesome. That's a piece I actually been looking for. I didn't go out of my way looking for it, but I thought that would be kind of cool to find. You can see there they have like the seat, outline of the seat, and here's the flame is on the back here. I've never seen one of them in person, so that's really, really cool to see. Try to get some better lighting here. All right, we'll move on. Here's another regular treasure hunt that Mark sent. Bump around, that's cool too. I'm pretty sure I don't have this one. I would think I'd remember the candy apple red, and of course we had the flame there on the back. That's really cool. Neat to see that, because that's another one that I'm pretty sure I don't have it. I think a couple of my friends have that one, but I don't have it. Very cool. Here's another one I don't have, is the glancing in the box. There was quite a few that I don't have, which is really good for me. The green, this is the newest release of the caddy in that green. Looks really nice. I still want to detail one of these up sometime and customize one. I think that's cool. When I was a kid, you saw these all the time on the road, these rabbit pickups. I think they were made here in, I can't think of the Moreland, Pennsylvania. Anyway, forget the actual town, but Westmoreland plant, I believe they were made there. I'm pretty sure. I know a lot of the rabbits were made there, which is in Pennsylvania, which is the state I'm in. If you're not familiar with Pennsylvania, it's in the United States. Very cool. And the Polizia Porsche 911, that's cool. I only have one of those, so it's good to have another one. You can't go wrong with that one for sure. You know what, now that I'm looking at this, I don't even know if I have this one. I think I might have it in the 9-pack, I believe. Yeah, I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I have it in the single pack now that I'm looking at this. So Mark Roy does know what I like, that's for sure. Ooh, cool combis. I don't have all three of these, actually. I don't have. So that is awesome. Cool combi in the Urban Outlaw Magnus Walker white one, and then the flat blue, it looks like. I've never seen either one of those ever in the store. Now this has the newest packaging. The white one is Chester's barking outside and wants in. This T2 pickup I don't have in that root beer brown color. Obviously I will pick up this Super Treasure Hunt someday when the prices maybe come down, because I'm sure I'll never find one in the stores, but that is so cool. That's awesome, because I've never seen that one in the stores either, and I try to stop at stores quite a few times per week, and I just never see them. Red 917, it's awesome. You can't go wrong with that one, and same with the Golf livery 68 Chevy Nova. Very cool. This is the brand. Both of these are actually new releases, but the red 917, that one is the newest of the two of these here. Can't go wrong there. I know Mark and myself, I know I was in awe seeing that real 917 long tail there at the Simeon Alden Museum in Philly. In the hippie livery was quite a treat. Amazing to see one of those cars in person and hear it run. Oh wow, yeah, this is awesome too. This is another one I don't have. This is the newest release of in the Audi in that blue. That looks magnificent in the blue. I did just find the Matchbox in the blue. You can't go wrong with that as well, but boy, this is a stunner in that blue. So used to seeing it in the red. I love station wagons, as we call them here in America. You guys overseas, I guess, call them shooting brakes, or a state, or Avants, and but we always just say station wagons here in America, which sounds kind of dated now, obviously, or just wagon. But man, that is I am a sucker for wagons, that is for sure. And that blue is just gorgeous in it, both of them. My other buddy Mark, like I gave his, I'll put his Instagram down below too. He just took some nice photos outdoors of this blue wagon. Wow, it looks really nice. And I can see already there's a couple more here that I haven't seen. The 84 Audi Sport Quattro in the dark green, that's the newest release as well. That one I do not have, so this is really, I'm really grateful for this box. It's awesome. That's another one I don't have in that color. Really, really cool to see that. So I am really appreciative. We got some more Volkswagens, the SP2 in that was a Brazilian, I believe they were made in Brazil. I don't know if they were sold throughout America. It was more of a South American car, I believe. I'm not sure if any were ever exported over to Europe or not. But it was a pretty attractive body style. Almost reminds me, when I look at it, of the design concepts that you'll see for the Porsche 924 when it was in its infancy design stages. It looked pretty much like an SP2. But this is the newest release in that tan. And of course, another one of my favorites is the Golf Country. That thing's awesome in the Amazon green, I believe is what that paint code was. I forget what paint code they called that originally. Really cool. So we're coming up on the last one. Oh, awesome. The last one is another one. I know you guys probably like, what in the world, how's he not find these? But this is another one that has eluded me for the longest time in the stores. I cannot find this one. I know the black one is out as well, but I think that's a Kmart only, which we don't even have any Kmarts around here anymore. But the red Momo 7 or the 510, for whatever reason, that one has escaped me. So I'm not sure why people are they buy them up in hordes, I guess. And people find 5 or 6 of them, they just buy all of them and they don't leave any on the pegs for anyone else. At least that's what I'm thinking. Once you see other people's Instagram accounts, people just go crazy over these 510s. That is awesome though. That's another one that would look great pulled out of the pack and detailed, because it needs a lot of work. But the graphics, the tampos on this looks really, really nice. So there you go. That's all. I think that's the full box, and that's crazy amount of toys there. What was it, 3, 4, I don't know, over a dozen cars. Really awesome. So we got a lot to work with here. And I know I haven't done any customs in a while, and I know a lot of you guys are probably disappointed in that. It's just sometimes life gets in the way. All right, just to recap, here's all of them lined up, and it's pretty awesome. 2 treasure hunts, and what was that, like a dozen or more other cars. So that is awesome. Thanks again, Mark, and I will put your Instagram account information down below for everybody and on the screen here. And hopefully this didn't go on too long. I know I like to ramble sometimes, and I apologize for that. And did the best I could with a sore throat here from, I don't know if it's from allergies or what is going on, but so thanks again, Mark, and hopefully everyone liked that. Everybody loves watching other people open up boxes of stuff, so that's pretty cool. And give me a thumbs up if you like this type of video. Like, share, all that good stuff. Be sure to subscribe, and I will see you guys later. All right, thanks. See you guys later. Bye now.